Hello riders, welcome to Bike Informers, the channel dedicated to the world of high-performance motorcycles, futuristic engineering, and legendary nameplates reborn for a new era. Today, the spotlight falls on a machine that revives one of Honda's most iconic race-bred legends, the 2026 Honda NSR500 V3. A name that once dominated two-stroke Grand Prix history has returned with a modernized, electrified twist and character, yet still breathing raw racing DNA through its engineering philosophy. The NSR500 V3 is not just a motorcycle, it is a tribute to a motorsport era when mastery of power delivery separated icons from ordinary riders, and Honda has once again engineered a thrilling experience for purists and next-generation riders. A legend returns, the soul of the NSR. The original NSR500 was born in the crucible of 500 cubic centimeters Grand Prix racing, a brutal two-stroke beast that demanded both skill and bravery. For 2026, Honda embraces that heritage by retaining the essence of a highly responsive performance-focused platform built to feel alive. The V3 designation refers to a revolutionary tri-cylinder configuration, bridging the nostalgia of classic two-stroke thunder with modern eco-engineering. Rather than simply copying the past, Honda has reinterpreted it, giving the motorcycle sharp throttle response, mechanical intensity, and an unmistakable racer's heartbeat. Modern engineering, retro spirit. The centerpiece of the new NSR500 V3 is its cutting-edge hybrid internal combustion system tuned for razor-sharp acceleration. Unlike conventional high-capacity road bikes, the NSR500 V3 focuses on balance, agility, power-to-weight ratio, and throttle emotion. Honda has constructed the bike around a feather-light chassis architecture combining forged aluminum spars and carbon fiber reinforcement, enabling a staggering power-to-weight ratio that speaks to track-borne lineage. Its updated hybrid mechanism channels instant low-end torque support, mimicking two-stroke kick while reducing emissions and optimizing combustion at high RPMs. Design philosophy, racetrack-blooded. The NSR500 V3 is sculpted for dynamic aerodynamics without overwhelming the classic silhouette. Every line and panel leans toward functional aerodynamics, providing both downforce and high-speed stability. Integrated winglets are cleverly hidden within the body profile, giving the bike a sleek competition lineage while maintaining clean aesthetics. The tall tail, razor-sharp nose, aggressive rake, and narrow midsection are all reminiscent of historic track-focused geometry. Not retro for looks, but retro for purpose. This is a motorcycle built to communicate through sensation rather than rider aids. Futuristic electronics with pure rider feedback. While Honda has honored tradition, it has not neglected modern technology. The 2026 NSR500 V3 uses minimal intervention electronics, a deliberate decision to preserve rider authenticity. Intelligent traction logic replaces intrusive traction control, allowing skilled riders to manipulate rear-wheel behavior without electronic sterilization. A stripped-down digital cluster emphasizes clear telemetry, race inspirations, and real-time performance metrics. The assist systems are tuned for enhancement, not interference, supporting riders when needed but stepping aside when raw connection matters most. Chassis, aerodynamics, and control. Honda engineers have shaped the NSR500 V3 for reflexive input precision. The lightweight frame and center mass optimization provide near-instant directional changes. The suspension system is semi-active but programmed for race-style stiffness and road adaptability. Braking is track-grade, engineered for aggressive deceleration without fade. Aerodynamic supports create a pressure-balanced front profile, enabling high-speed cornering stability, while carefully sculpted body passes control airflow efficiently to reduce turbulence. These elements combine to produce a sensation steeped in racing truth, a motorcycle built not just for speed, but for total command. Sound and character, a machine with emotion. The auditory signature of the NSR500 V3 is a tribute to its origins. While incorporating hybrid technology, Honda has tuned the combustion note to capture that explosive race-bred pitch associated with classic GP monsters. The soundtrack elevates the rider's adrenaline, echoing with intensity that feels mechanical, organic, and alive, the opposite of sterile modern sport bikes. This is engineered emotion, a reminder that motorcycles are more than numbers, they are experiences. Track DNA for the street. Although road legal, this machine is unmistakably a race machine at heart. Its ergonomics are aggressive but balanced, designed for body positioning as much as comfort. The essence of the NSR500 V3 is liberation, weightlessness, motion, edge of grip sensation, and acceleration that erupts without hesitation. It is for purists, riders who crave direct feedback and competition-grade mechanical character in a modern chassis. Why the NSR500 name still matters. The NSR name carries legacy deeper than a badge. It embodies an era when fearlessness and engineering brilliance redefined competition. The 2026 revival is not nostalgia marketing. It is a declaration that Honda still knows how to build motorcycles that awaken instinct over automation. The spirit is unchanged: purity, racing heritage, and technical daring. The NSR500 V3 is made for those who treat riding as craft, not merely transport. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda NSR500 V3 is engineered for a generation seeking thrill in its most authentic form. It fuses world-class innovation with old-school racing identity, preserving motorcycle purity while moving engineering forward. More than a revival, it is a statement. Precision, passion, and legacy can be reborn without dilution. With the NSR500 V3, Honda has rekindled one of motorcycling's most iconic flames.